Stock number 410330. It's a 2017 Outlander. It's a Mitsubishi Outlander. It does have a key, it does not start. You can see the front bumper's no good. It's cracked right there. The grill looks good, the hood looks good. You got a little parking lot ding right there in the fender. Got a scratch right there on the door. Got a scratch on the back door, scratch on the corner panel. Little parking lot ding in the bumper. Rear bumper's no good. Deck lid's no good. This tail light's no good. Quarter panel's no good. Rear door's good. The front door needs a handle. Front fender's got a dent. It does have a key. It does not start. The seatbelt's good. It does not have a sunroof. The seatbelt is good. The seatbelts are good back there. Seatbelts are good up here. Seatbelt's good. This is stock number 410330. It's a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander. It does have a key.